guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today is the release day and hop for our box of the month for September. You're going to follow the hashtag N2S Autumn Vibes. That'll bring up all the videos in this hop. You'll hop to each one, leave a comment, come back to my Rafflecopter link, which you'll find in the description box, and enter into the giveaway. One winner will win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. This giveaway closes on September 7th at 11:59 p.m. The winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby community tab on September 8th. You can always click back on the Rafflecopter link to see who won. So we have a beautiful new collection for you. You can grab this collection under the box of the month at the Not Too Shabby shop. You can purchase this collection as a one-time purchase or join the club. If you join the club, you'll get a 5% discount and you'll be guaranteed a box every month. I'm going to share the papers, the ephemeras, and the stamps with you, and then I'll share some cards that I created. So the two paper collections are gorgeous. We have Autumn Vibes and Give Thanks. They are both absolutely beautiful. I do have the paper pads and the ephemera listed for individual sale as well. So if you wanted to grab yourself some extras, those will be available under the Not Too Shabby section in the shop. Unfortunately, I don't have many of the stamps available. I have a few of this one, The Autumn is Calling, and the Fall Sentiments. If you want to get this one, you'll have to purchase the box. Okay, I'm going to start with the Give Thanks paper pad, and we've got some beautiful colors. Look at that brown and gold, just gorgeous. We've got like a white wash in the background and the gorgeous pumpkins, and I love that hot pink pumpkin. Pink and orange is one of my favorite color combos. Here's another beautiful page. Got a little pumpkin spice going on. And then we got some geometric shapes in the brown and the pink and orange. Here's a nice little scene that you can use. Very, very pretty. It says Thanksgiving Day. We've got a page full of pumpkin pies. I love this brown and white stripe with the leaves falling down and the speckles of gold. This one's really cute too, and it's got the apples and the cinnamon spice. Here's a nice hot pink one, Happy Day, with all those beautiful pumpkins and leaves. Here's a really pretty one. And then we've got one with the pumpkin spice latte and the pumpkin pie with a brown background. And then our patterns start to repeat. So you do get 4 of each pattern. So I love that Teresa does that for our paper pads. That way you can use some and hoard some. The next one is Autumn Vibes, and I've used several sheets already on this paper pad for my cards. We've got a beautiful stripe with the gold glittered stripe through the middle there. Gorgeous colors, gorgeous pumpkins. Just love the vibrancy of this patterned paper. Look at how pretty. I love this one. It's got all the fall icons. It goes really nicely with our stamp set, Autumn is Calling. It's a nice scene with all the pumpkins and the leaves falling down. Beautiful pumpkins mixed with mums or sunflowers and roses. Got a gorgeous faux glittered paper in the orange with little sparkles added. Love this one too with all the leaves. So pretty. This one's really gorgeous. Make sure I didn't miss any of the patterns. This really brown ombre one, brown duck gold. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty paper pad. Love it. So let's share the ephemera. So this is the one that goes with the Give Thanks. Some gorgeous pumpkins. There's a little splattering stamp in the Full of Thanks stamp set. This little splatter here. So you kind of do this little technique on your pumpkins. Some nice floral pieces. Leaves and berries. Got a nice little basket full of pumpkins and apples. We've got acorns and a pumpkin pie or a tart. The hot pink pumpkin. Who doesn't love a hot pink pumpkin? We've got some golden apples, some drinks that say Thanksgiving Day. We also have the same drink in orange that says Happy Day. Beautiful pumpkins and leaves. It's another one of those baskets. The drinks in different sizes and the leaves in different sizes and colors. There's a different style leaf. And we've got some cinnamon sticks in there and some apples. And another drink. So beautiful collection. Now I've used several of this on the cards that I created. So I'm going to show you the cards that I created, the ephemera pieces that I used. But here are my leftovers. Got a basket of apples, and that's a really cute image. It says, "Hey Pumpkin" on the pillow. And then look at those gorgeous, I don't know if these are sunflowers or mums. And then love that little pumpkin with all the flowers on top. And then there's beautiful rose in here and these gorgeous leaves. And then these are really pretty. This would be really cute looking at it. This reminds me of like those floral clusters that you see on like images of like pigs or dogs or something. If you have a stamp and then you can put this on top. There's a little crown. And then this is really cute, these lanterns. There's some carameled apple sticks that says "Hello Fall," and there's a little piece of pumpkin pie. There's some socks and boots. I did use one of these on my card. Here's a cute little green pumpkin. And then a bunch of apples and some fall little greeneries. Well, that's not green. So fall, who knows what this is? I forgot the name of this. It's like a gourd or something. A dried up something. And then this is the apple on a stick. So really fun, beautiful ephemera. Matches perfectly with the paper. So if you like this box, run over and grab it before it sells out. I know this box is going to sell quickly. The 3 stamp sets. We have these beautiful fall sentiments. They're nice and large. We have Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves, Cutest Apple in the Orchard, Nuts About Fall, Autumn Wishes, I love that one, A Warm Cozy Hello, Hey There Pumpkin, my favorite color is autumn. Then we've got The Autumn is Calling. And if you want to see some of the process to my cards, check out our sneak peek week videos. So this is really cute. The sentiment reads, "But I think I love fall most of all." And they're just a bunch of fall icons, beautiful images. And then this one matches the paper pad, Give Thanks. So we've got the same illustration in the stamps as you see in the paper pad. So the artist did a very lovely job with her illustrations. I love them. And then we've got Happy Day, Happy Thanksgiving, so full of thanks for sentiments. And then you've got some leaves and that beautiful pumpkin, an apple, the pumpkin pie tart, and that yummy drink, the little spice called anise, And then these little swirly marks, I use them as wind for my leaves to swirl around. And you can use them to decorate the cup and put your little sentiment next to it. So just use your imagination and have fun. So let me share the cards. For my first set of cards, I made 2 mini slimline cards. Now the sketch that I followed is the Not Too Shabby sketch for the month of September. So Teresa, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, puts together our monthly challenges over on the blog. So that will be posted on the 2nd. You can create a card using the mood board or the sketch, link it up for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the shop. So this turned out really, really cute. I did pop up my square and the ephemera piece, so it's nice and dimensional. So my next card is a Slimline card, and this sheet of paper here that I used for the Slimline is from our Slimline paper pad, Pumpkin Marshmallow. That is still available in the shop if you wanted to grab that. So it's a beautiful paper pad. It's got yummy pinks and creams, and it's just gorgeous. So I added some of the papers from the Autumn Vibes paper pad in those little squares, and then I used the ephemera and the sentiment that says, "But I think I love fall most of all," and topped it off with a few sequins. For this next card, I used the stamp, "Full of Thanks," and I used the sentiment, "So full of thanks." Used those beautiful pumpkins, did some masking, so this is all one layer. Did some Copic coloring. You can watch that video. It is posted on the Not Too Shabby channel. This next card, I used the Autumn is Calling stamp set, and I used every single image except the scarf and gloves on this card. I just love it. Did an oxide background and splattered some white gouache. Framed out the sentiment in a round circle die with some stitching. That is a circle from a Whimsy card builder die. And then I topped it off with some gold sequins. Just love how that turned out, super fun. The next set of cards, I used the Fall Sentiments stamp set, and I made some note cards. I did some embossing on the sentiment. I did color the inside of those leaves green, added a little apple from the ephemera pack. This background here, this piece of paper here, is from the Fall Sunshine paper pad from our previous box, and then added it on a red note card. And this also is embossed, and this one's in an orange color, and then added one of the leaves, and then used that beautiful paper with all the leaves on it and added to it a olive colored note card. And I love these sentiments because you don't really even need to color those in. They look beautiful like that, and I'm sure they look beautiful colored in as well. And here is my last card using the paper and the ephemera from the Give Thanks collection. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, here are all the cards that I've created so far. I hope you get lots of inspiration. I hope you enjoy the hop. There'll be lots more inspiration for you to see. Click that hashtag Autumn Vibes. Don't forget, if you want to join the club, to use the drop-down menu to choose monthly for your frequency. I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notification. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you real soon. Take care. Bye, guys.